Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video. Today in this video I will take up the math chapter which name is logarithms, and this is a very easy chapter. So today in this video I will explain about this chapter only. And one more important thing, there are two parts of this chapter, logarithms. First part is completed in this video and the another part is completed in the next video. So when the next part came, please watch that part also because it is very important. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will able to get the next chapter information very easily and very fast. So here we start the video. First, we will learn about the basic of logarithm. Here, log tan 5 and power 2. Here, this tan is the base and this 2 is the power. So, note this. Now, we will learn about some rules or laws of logarithm. First rules or law is log a m multiply n. If like this is given, we plus them to solve the question. Log a m plus log a n. A is the base. Here we saw like this, tan is the base. Now if this is given in divide, log a m divided by n, then we minus log a m minus log a n. Now if like this is given, log a m power n, and we have to solve this in questions. I will do the question also, that only you will able to understand it very easily. Now we take this n here before log a like this, and this is called power law, and the value of log tan is 1. If like this is given, log a or 1 is equal to 0 is given, or log tan or 1 is given. Here 1 number is there are many other number also, so the value of that is 0. If log a n power n is given, or log tan n power n or 5 power 5 is given, then the value is 0. If log a is given, then the value is 1. Here log tan is also given. If log a is x is equal to log a y is given, we cancel log a and x is equal to y is remain. Ninth is important, log. If no base is there, take log tan as a base. If there is no base given, only log is given, we take log tan and tan as a base. If log 2 is given, we take log tan 2. If log tan a square, this is called the product law. If we take the square, a square. The last rule, if log tan a square multiply c upon root b is given, when the number is in divide, we minus log tan a square minus log tan b. Then if it is in multiply, then we plus it, and this is called the quotient law. These three laws are very important: product law, power law and quotient law. I have understand you all three law. Now we will solve the questions, and after solving the questions you will able to understand this chapter very easily. I will tell you every question related to logarithm. So if you have the question like this, convert the following to logarithm form. So it is very easy to convert. We have to convert this into logarithm, means log. So if we have to convert this into log, so log, we write log because we have to convert in the logarithm form. Then this tan is the base here, and this 100 is like this and is equal to 4. This is the logarithm form of this. Please listen this carefully. if we have to convert the following into logarithm form, means we have to convert them into log. So we write first here log, then here which is given, means the number which has the power is the base of log, then which is given is equal to is written here, then 4 which is the power is written is equal to 4. Now we will solve this question. This is also into logarithm form, we have to convert. We write log here, then this number has the power, so this is the base of it, then this is equal to x, so here we write x, then minus 5 which is the power here in the question is equal to right there. Now this last question is homework for you, and solve this and please tell the answer in the comment section. Now if said convert the following into exponential form, now we have to convert them into exponential form, means here written log 381 is equal to form. In the first question we have to convert in the log form from the question, so we have to convert them again. So here log 3 is equal to 81 is equal to 4. First we have to take this 3 here, and this 4 is the power of 3 and is equal to 81. Like this we have to convert. Now we will take another question. If here written log 8 32 is equal to 5 upon 3. Now we have to convert into exponential form. First this 8 is written here and 8 power is 5 upon 3. I have tell you 5 upon 3 and is equal to 32, like this. Now this third question is homework for you. Now the another question which will come to you in this chapter. Find the value of the following by converting to exponential form. We have to find the value of this by converting to exponential form. So how to convert? So here we write log 2 exactly 16. Here we write x. We take the value of x to find the value in exponential form. So here we also write let, because we have take the x. Now we convert them into exponential forms, like here we convert. So this 2 is written here and the power of this 2 is x is equal to 16. Now listen it very carefully. You have studied the chapter indices. Now here in this chapter the rule of indices also follows. If here written 2 power x, here we write 2 power x. Now 16 is 2 power 4. Here we cancel out 2 base is cancelled, so x power is 4. Like this we have to do this question. Next question is homework for you. Now the next question, find the value of, this is same like the last question. So now here we take x again. So here we write log 2 root 3 is the base, 1728 is equal to x. We take x. Now here we write 2 root 3x is equal to 1728. Here we have to not solve anything. Here we have to solve. Here we write 1728 is the cube of 12. Now here we can also write this 2 root 3 square is 3. Now 2 square is 4, and if we the square of root 3, the square and root cancel, so 4 into 3 is 12. So this is expand form. Now here we write 2 root 3x is equal to 2 root 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Now 2 into root 3 cancel, base cancel, the value of x is 6. Like this we have to do this question. This question is homework for you. Now the another type of question in this chapter, given log tan x is equal to a and log tan y is equal to b, and you have to find the values of this and this. So the first step is to solve this into exponential forms. So how to solve? Here we take tan a is equal to x and here y. So here we write tan b is equal to y. Now we have solved them into exponential form. Now we solve its parts. Here written, write down tan a minus 1 in terms of x. Now we have to find the value of x in simple words. Here we written tan a minus 1. So we can written it like this also. Tan a multiply tan minus 1. We can write it down like this also. So now we can write this also, tan a divide tan. Okay, now tan a value is x, so we write tan a value x and upon tan. Now in terms of x, so here we write the value in terms of x. Like this we have to do it. Now the second part, tan 2b is given. We have to find in the value of y, means in terms of y. Like this, here we find the x. So we can written it like this also, tan b bracket 2. If we multiply b into 2, it's only 2b, and the here we find the value tan b value is y. So here we written, we can also write this also, tan a is equal to x and tan b is equal to y. Now here tan b square 2. Now tan b value is y, so y and square, y square. So here we write the answer in terms of y. Like this we have to do these questions. Now the third part of this question is also there. Here is written like this, log tan p is equal to 2a minus b. So first we have to convert this into exponential form, then only we have to find this value. The question is like this, if log tan p is equal to 2a minus b, express p in terms of x and y, means we have to find this value in p, x and y. Now first we have to convert in exponential form. Here we write tan. Now the power of tan is 2a minus b is equal to p. We can write this also, tan 2a minus b. Now we have to expand it, means like this, tan 2a multiply tan minus b. We can write this also, tan a and tan b. The one which is in minus goes on denominator and the one which is in plus goes on numerator. Now we can write like this also, tan a bracket 2 and tan b. Now previously the value of tan a is x, so it's x square, it's x square, and tan b is y, so here p. So we have find the value in terms of x and y. Like this you can see this. Now the last question of this video, here written, log 2x is equal to x and log 3y is equal to 2. First we have to solve this only and find 12 2a minus 1 in terms of x and y. First we have to solve this log 2. First we have to convert them into exponential forms. So here we write 2a is equal to x means x is equal to 2a and 3a is equal to y and the value of y is 3a and here written 12 2a minus 1. So first step is like this 12. How can we expand 12? We can expand 12 is 2. Here the x value is 2. So we have to expand 12 in 2 and 3 only. So 2 power 2 is 4 into 3. Now 2 power 2 is 4 into 3 is 12. Now 12 is there and the power is 2a minus 1. Now we can write like this also 2 power 2 2a minus 1 multiply 3 2a minus 1. So this can also written like this 2 4a minus 2 means 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 2 but minus plus minus then multiply 3 2a minus 1. Now it can be written as 2 4a multiply 2 minus 2 and this also 3 2a multiply 3 minus 1. So which is in plus goes on numerator. So it can be written 2 4a multiply 3 2a and 2 2 multiply 3 1. Now it can be written as 2a power 4 into 3a power 2 and 2 power 2 is 4 into 3. Now 2a is x. So here we write x power 4 and y 3a power is y. So here we write y power 2 and 4 into 3 is 12. This is the answer. And thank you guys for this video. Hope you like this video. Now we will meet in the second part of this video. And the question which I have give you to solve, please solve them. Then only you will be able to understand this chapter very easily. And please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you guys.